Why are you feeding the squirrel that almost killed us? Oh, look at him.
It's okay.
Eat apple.
Oh, you're so cute. Eat apple, manzana. Oh, that's what he wanted. Look at that guy. You're not scary at all. I would invite you to my house again.
Apple.
Oh, Diana! Buenos dias, mis amigos. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy as he loses his freaking nut. Thanks to you. ¿Cómo están? Oh, babe. Do a little shimmy. Babe. Shimmy, shimmy. Hey, buenos dias, miss. Well, everyone just wants to feed the freaking squirrel as if he's done something for us. We've been having an argument all morning. So right now we're going to Kaufman Studios. This is where they record shows like Nurse Jackie and Orange is the New Black, Sesame Street. And he told me last night, like we found out like at midnight. We were like, oh, let's go. He's like, it's from 11 to 6, right? Or something like that. So I was like, I'm gonna wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning and I want to be there by 10. He's like, that's so early. I don't know why you have to go early. It's gonna be packed no matter what time you go. That was the end of the conversation. So Ziana wakes me up, I give her milk, and he's like, are we going to Kaufman Studios? I'm like, yeah. He's like, why it's already 9:30. I'm like, okay, you didn't want to go early. He's like, no, that's not what we discussed.
Because you said you were waking up at 7 o'clock.
And you said no.
No, because we discussed, and this is exactly where it went down. You said, oh, I want to be there at 10 o'clock in the morning. And that's what we talked about. And I said, no, we don't gotta be there that early. That was what we said no to.
And that was it.
And then afterwards you said, okay, I'm gonna wake up at 7 o'clock and do my stuff.
If you already shut me down, why am I gonna say, okay, I'm gonna wake up at 7 o'clock?
No, we agreed that we were gonna be there at 11 o'clock.
No, we didn't. We agreed to nothing.
Well, we can see nothing today because I have to get back for a football game.
So now we're late because of this guy.
No, it has nothing to do with me. It's you. You probably woke up this morning at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock like,
Stop. I have no problem getting up. He's the one who's like, I want to sleep. It's my day off.
Sure.
So, hopefully, let's see if we can see anything because this guy wants to go home now early because stupid football.
So you're stupid to me. It's like,
this is why I hate football. You're gonna make me start hating football, and I will freaking take away your football privileges. Do not make me. It's gonna interfere with our freaking family lives. Do not make me.
I don't know if you know this or not, but the 49ers family is my family on Sundays. I don't even know who you are. I care about Kaepernick. He's my big brother. Actually, his little brother. Frank Gore. He's like the godfather of our team. I'm going. Sorry, big guy. Justin Smith, another one of my brothers. Alden. May you get centered.
Are these hot brothers? Because I haven't met them yet, and I want to meet some hot brothers.
No, we don't discuss that. We don't talk looks in our family. We're all good-looking people. All 49er fans are beautiful.
Aww.
Look, see, now we gotta wait in the line for an exit because people don't know how to friggin' pull out or get in the left lane. Let's drive down the right lane when people want to merge in. That's what this is for. People that are driving down the right lane off of the Grand Central. And they're not merging into the left lane, so people, they're trying to get into the expressway can't because ignorant people are not getting over into the left lane.
Whatever he said.
I freaking hate that. This guy's got a flat tire.
The things you see in Nueva York. That too. Kaufman Studios. Oh. Okay, so I guess we can't go inside, but they show us the set? Like, I don't understand what they're showing us. Grip truck. This is kind of cool.
The trolleys.
What's this?
See out the window at night. Well, you can't really see it on film unless it's lit up.
Camera on the boom? Oh, cool. Oh, is that what they're doing? Yeah. Oh, they're moving it. Oh, that's so freaking cool. Oh.
Hey. See? Hey. Look at Mama in the camera. Look at Mama in the camera. It's gonna get you. What do you think?
Not too close.
What do you think? That was Mama. You see Mama? What's she doing? Was she conducting the camera? How'd it feel? How'd it feel?
What are you gonna do when Mommy goes on set and she's in front of the camera? You can't cry like that. I wanna jump. Woo! And that's how somebody dies. Oh my God! I wanna do it. It's not fair. I wanna jump. Do you wanna jump? Oh, sorry. Do you wanna jump?
No.
Oh, alright. You guys from TV. Just head down there afterwards.
Oh, Ninja Warrior winner.
Yeah, American Ninja Warrior. You know I wanted to be that when I was younger?
What?
I wanted to be a daredevil, I wanted to be a stunt devil.
Really? Why didn't
On
you?
motorcycles and stuff in cars.
That's so cool.
And I found music. I'm like, oh, this is much funner.
You want to jump?
No.
No, she's like, that's too high for me, Mama.
You don't want to jump?
Clumsy? Well, I want to ask. I want to jump. Please. Oh, man. She's like,
You want to do it?
don't leave me, Mama.
Chicken?
I'm going to ask. I want to ask. Are we able to jump?
No, I wish you could.
Wait, put that wrist thing around me.
No. Not for jumping, it's for eating.
Oh. I'm Robert. Oh, that's so cool. No, Diana. Oh, they're making snow. Diana, go in the snow. Leave the car right here. This is so nice. Oh. Ooh. Diana, look. Snow. Let's build a snowman. Oh. She's gonna get bounced to the fullest. Making it rain. They're making it rain.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go where they're making it rain.
Come on, see, it's getting cold. Hace frío.
Oh, look at the snow. Look at the snow. Oh, no, it's not. It's fake. On inside a trailer. A wardrobe.
Wardrobe trailer?
Yeah. You want to go?
Yeah, no.
Can we take the clothes?
You can try them on, check them out. You can take
Oh, look, they have a washer and dryer. Should have bought my own clothes to wash.
Of course, they got the dusty stuff.
I know, like, you guys can see the dusty stuff.
Wow.
Ooh, I like this. Can I have this? She's mocking me. Graduation. Oh, memories. Oh, well, that's terrifying.
Your size.
What?
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
No, not yet.
I was like, oh, he doesn't care.
It's really lovely.
Is it lovely?
Yes, right.
Is it Gucci?
Yes. All the best to you.
Thanks.
So,
Yeah, she's so small.
they're just different makeup artists.
Well, I'm gonna get my hair and makeup done in a, like,
I don't think so.
in a year or something.
I can't. You can ask next door.
Hi. Say hi. I'm crazy. I can't even have my moment. She won't let me have my moments. Come on. That's a winning pose. Adios.
With the bread in the mouth. It's wonderful.
We gotta go get the car shop.
Let's go.
Boy toy! It is packed. We did?
We're not gonna see it.
Oh crap. When I watch the playback when I'm editing, I'll get to see what I just recorded because I can't see anything. My head's like this. I'm on the Sesame Place.
I don't know what stage J is. I think it's on the other
Stage
side.
J is right there.
No, that's stage
Oh, that's
K.
K. We gotta ask somebody where stage J is. That's where they film it at.
Sneak in.
We're gonna sneak in. We're gonna break into Kaufman Studios. Now, do you usually work on set? Oh, you do drive though? So, you're gonna drive me one day.
Sure, you got it.
Anyway, remember my face. Hey.
Very disappointing.
What is everyone doing in my trailer? I don't know. Oh wow. I wonder whose bed this is. Oh, and they got a mirror. Oh, they're freaky. Freaky, freaky.
I get dressed.
Freaky, freaky.
Like a honorary membership. Pretty much.
Cheaters. Get out of my trailer. Babe, you guys can come visit me when I'm on set.
Yeah.
Right here.
3 hours?
Oh man. Such a great life. Oh, this is another trailer.
That's his own trailer.
Oh wow. Freaking has an island in the middle of his trailer. That's crazy.
Where you start the drinks.
Oh my god.
Hey, Big Bird.
Big Bird.
Either.
Hey,
Where you at?
Big Bird. Where you at? Where are you?
You.
Oh, she just kicked his ass.
So we are at the Museum of Movements or something, right?
Moving images.
Moving images. Ooh. Aww.
How come she copies us?
Diana!
Oh, there's my kid.
You see Elmo? Oh, that's so freaking cool. There's Leslie. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, they look at themselves in the screen. That's so cool. I wish we could watch them live.
Where's the Will Smith? This one, not free.
She's looking big friend. Oh, this is freaky. So awesome. How do you do Jim Carrey's The Mask thing? How does he talk?
I don't know.
Hello. Like that?
I'll watch it forever.
Like this. I don't know. Al Pacino, where? For what? Life Mask of Al Pacino? Ooh.
Yeah, Al Pacino. Christopher Walken's.
Cool, Christopher. Hi, Chris. Why are you mad? That music sounds familiar. That music sounds familiar. Psycho, that's what the song's from.
Meryl Streep wore that.
That's Meryl Streep's win. Yeah. For what?
In Sophia's Choice in 1982.
Oh, look at the tools they used to use. Huh. Rollers and body pins. What's this? All the makeup stuff they use?
Prosthetics.
You know, I've never seen it like
Prosthetics.
it just looks
Whose makeup is this? Makeup used for the Cosby Show. That's so cool. See, makeup used for the Cosby Show. This is Doubtfire. Oh, this is for you, Gammy. That looks like Gammy. Oh, that's crazy. Set model for The Verdict, 1982. A Midsummer's Nights. The Muppets Take Manhattan. Mork and Mindy. Mork and Mindy. Wow. This one's Mrs. Doubtfire.
Yeah, this one right here, which is 13.
Oh, the Cosby sweater. Holy crap. Old magazines, babe. Look at these old magazines. It was like Playboy back in their day. Huh. Show some like, it has to be like Playboy. Look at the hot stuff. Alice White. Look at Pluto back in the day. Back in 1950. Holy crap. And these, the Bugs Bunny dolls are from 1940. Unkept doll. Margaret O'Brien doll from 1947. Buddy Duty's own game. Who knows about that?
It's for my mom's day.
22. 1949, that game. Gammy. Are these your games back in the day? Oh. Space Cadet. What are these Muppets? Ew, they're creepy.
Yeah, weird looking, right?
They're Dean Martin hand puppets, 1952. Captain Video. Swayze. Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz. Debbie Reynolds. Doris Day. Who are these people? Lamb Chop? Lamb Chop. I used to watch it when I was a little girl, B.
Chop.
We've seen the newer version, yeah.
What?
We've seen the newer version.
How does the song go?
This is the song.
That never ends.
It just goes on.
On my
You screwed it up in the beginning. Started singing and not knowing what it was. And they continue singing.
The song that never ends. Is that Pebbles?
Oh my god. Please show me.
Yeah, 1963.
Old arcade games.
Oh my. Can you play it? Holy crap.
I know, this is in my closet. First Pong game.
Oh my gosh. That's, oh my gosh. This is crazy. Do you remember any of these?
I wasn't around for any of these games.
What? Oh my gosh, I remember Nintendo. What is this? What's this?
TV.
Oh my gosh.
That's bigger than you.
Do any of you guys remember that?
Yeah.
I remember having, I do. I used to have a TV like that.
No, you're talking, I thought you were like them kids.
Oh, I was talking to the kids. Man, you guys, this is the good times. The good times. You actually had to get up, change the dial, change the channel.
I do not remember that.
I had a TV like that.
Maybe because you lost the remote.
Wow, this thing was from 1899. It's even worse. 1896. What the heck is this? What is this?
Come on,
My grandma had one.
A radio phonograph TV? Your grandmother had that?
Oh, Chris's grandma, yeah.
Holy crap. Yeah. Let's make out in front of the TVs, guys.
That's what Betsy's talking about. This is what she had in
RCA
her
model. I did not have that in my house. Shut up.
Don't touch. You're gonna be arrested and kicked out.
That's so nice. Isn't that so pretty?
That's weird.
That is a Barbara Pole television, 1959.
I gotta carry you, baby.
Holy crap. Oh my, I think I remember those.
You wanna walk in?
Really? I thought she was real the whole time. Holy crap. Ooh, she's so pretty, right? Give a kiss goodbye. Oh, that's Freddie. That's Uncle Freddie.
Uncle Freddie.
Say hi, Uncle Freddie. His hands. Oh man, Freddie was good.
I got my
1, 2.
Freddie's coming for you.
3, 4.
Lock your door.
5, 6.
Get your crucifix. Bird. Hey, Big Bird.
Let's go.
I used to watch your things.
Movies? You used to put quarters in these things, and then you put your eyes. And they must even watch a movie. Charlie Chaplin Hell's Kitchen. Your mom's calling you.
My mom's not here.
Damn. You're good. Your dad? Your brother? Someone's calling you.
So crazy. You need to see that.
We've been on here for like 10 minutes. He's watching the reruns over and over and over.
Well, I can't see when it ends. It doesn't say when it ends.
You don't see when it ends?
You don't see when it ends.
Oh, that's how they did it. Wow. That's crazy.
Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Where's the address? Stage J. It's across the street. Bird.
Big Bird. Big Bird.
Big Bird, where are you?
Big Bird.
You're right.
Which way to Sesame Street? They're not working? Okay, thank you. We're one step closer.
Came home for the football game, right? So I started editing a little bit. This guy kicks me off the computer to do this.
Yeah.
Cheese. You sleeping or watching the game, boo?
I'm listening to it.
Oh, so what just happened?
Huh?
What just happened?
What? For who?
Always wants us to kiss and then she jumps in. Mwah. The three-way kiss. Before I forget, can I give a shout out to Wit. Okay, guess I was thinking about myself, Wit. Gotta give her a shout out yesterday. Oh my gosh, can you even see me with these binoculars on? Wit. Woo! Hit me! Just don't hit yourself in the face. Yeah, I don't think he'll laugh if that happens. Woo! Dreaming of a white Christmas. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Relax. Dreaming of a white Christmas. White Christmas. White Christmas. Oh. This isn't a rock song. This is a very pleasant Beyonce song. Oh gosh. What are you doing there? Okay, I don't give her ketchup. I eat ketchup when I eat my nuggets, so she always sees me dipping, and that's what she does. She didn't know I have ketchup in there, so she dips. She like believes like she's dipping at something, but she's not. And you have no idea. Oh, let's dip into the imaginary ketchup. There we go. Oh, dipping again. Double dipping. That's disgusting. Triple dipping. Even nastier. Wants the avocado. Yo, looks nasty. Holy crap. Look, it's like a river in there.
We're not talking about that right now.
Oh. The Niners lost. We're not talking about that right now.
Another short second. Like that. Right pin shoulder blades.
I'm trying to make these people hurry up so we can watch the Beyonce and Jay-Z concert that was on yesterday on HBO. Because I'm dying to watch it. Aww. That's how you take care of your man-Z. Our guacamole was so bad that Yasmin Ortiz was like, my mom said I should record her doing the guacamole and show you the video.
Pretty bad.
Nobody! Miss Loves Kirby. He's making the, if you read the comments from yesterday, he's making the guacamole and Lauren's mom, she thought we were doing a live broadcast, so she's like yelling at the computer and was like, no, that's not how you do it, boy toy. And Lauren's mom was like, he's so rude, like he's not even acknowledging me. And Lauren's like laughing her butt off. She's like, Mom, they're not doing a live broadcast. It was so funny when we were reading it. It's a long paragraph, but it was really funny to read.
This is Lauren's mom. That means now you have to make me a video and teach me how to do it.
That's your mission.
Teach me how to guacamole.
Teach me how to guacamole. Teach me how to guacamole. Guac. Teach me how to guac. Ooh. I thought you were really gonna like that.
No, I didn't like it a little bit.
You're singing. Woo! Hey, Dad, I needed my Jay-Z. Come on.
It's me and my daughter.
Oh my God. Woo! Hey. Yeah, girl. Hey. Woo!
Those two guys are the LES twins.
Indian. Woo! Like Jigga, what's my mother freaking name? Jigga, and who I'm rolling with, huh? My jiggers. You better get it right, get it right. What? What's my freaking name? And who you rolling with, Z? Baby's gonna get it right.
Get your dirt on the shoulders. Don't get your shoulders off.
Talking about what's the reason I'm a fit ever since the word with my mom. I'm gonna leave him.
What did you just say?
We're gonna call it a night, guys. We're gonna call it Beyonce night because we love Beyonce. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Beyonce.
Comment below, subscribe, and share. Buenas noches. Mwah.
Give my heart to a woman, not for nothing, ever happy.
And be forever Mac.
I don't ever do that stuff.